Ready, set, go! No, you're too far away.
Big contact, big contact.
You gotta stay close.
Get him in the corner.
Remember, don't chase him. Keep him in the corner.
Keep him in the corner. Keep him in the corner. Get in the middle.
That's it, okay.
Quick legs.
Side
Good
this
job
way.
now. Get him, Max. Get him in the corner. Get him in the corner. Good, keep him there. Push him there.
Step here. Step here.
Step where?
Right here. Right here. Mackenzie, right here. Okay. Now if he moves, keep kicking him. Mackenzie, come right here. More right here. Don't let him out. Stay in the middle. Don't come to the side. Stay in the middle. Yeah, good.
There you go.
That's it. Keep him. Kick him. Keep him in the corner. And stop.